AI is everywhere right now. It's writing your emails, curating your feeds, powering your customer service bots, and maybe even helping your CEO write investor updates. But here's what nobody talks about. AI is also quietly wrecking cloud budgets all over the world. Sure, building AI features is cool and in some cases essential to staying competitive, but once those models are live, that's where the pain starts. Under the hood, AI workloads are eating compute like a bottomless pit, and most companies have no idea how much it actually costs them until the bill lands. So let's break it down. Why is AI so expensive to run? First off, AI workloads aren't your typical web app. Training and running machine learning models require massive amounts of compute. We're talking GPUs or high-end CPUs that cost way more per hour than your average EC2 instance. And these aren't just one-time jobs. Once your model is trained, you still have to serve it, and that means constant compute running in the background, often 24/7. And the real kicker, AI models are resource greedy by default. Developers often over-provision infrastructure just to make sure models don't crash or slow down, especially during peak traffic. This might keep your chatbot snappy, but it also blows up your cloud bill. Then there's the hidden stuff, like data movement and storage. AI doesn't work without massive data sets, and moving that data around between S3, training jobs, vector databases, and inference endpoints adds up fast. The compute gets the blame, but the network and storage costs quietly pile on in the background. Now let's talk scale. AI costs don't stay small. They scale with adoption. You train a model, fine, but then it's integrated into your product, and now every user interaction is triggering inference. 1,000 queries becomes 1,000,000. Compute needs grow exponentially. Before you know it, your AI feature that looked cheap in testing becomes one of your most expensive services in production. Here's what's even more dangerous. Most companies don't allocate those AI costs properly. If inference spend isn't tagged to specific features or teams, it gets buried in a giant compute line item. And that means nobody knows what's driving it. Finance sees the spike, engineering gets the blame, but nobody has the data to fix it. So, how do you get ahead of this? First, you need visibility. That means breaking down your AI spend by model, service, and team. Know what's driving inference costs. Understand which features are triggering the most compute. Track the full pipeline, from training to inference to storage, and assign those costs to business units that can actually do something about it. Second, optimize your infrastructure. Use right-sized GPU instances and consider cheaper options for running inference, like AWS Inferentia chips or serverless inference platforms that scale automatically. And make sure you're not over-provisioning just to play it safe. Third, treat AI like a product, not a science experiment. That means cost accountability, ownership, and performance metrics. If a model costs $100,000 a month to run, you better know exactly how much revenue or value it's driving. And this is where CloudZero comes in. CloudZero gives you full visibility into your AI costs, from training workloads to inference to storage. You can see exactly where the spend is coming from, who owns it, and how to optimize it. No more guesswork, no more finger pointing, just clear insights and better decisions. AI is powerful, but it's not free. And if you're not paying attention, it will silently become one of your biggest cloud expenses. The good news, you can control it if you start now. If this gave you a clearer picture of what's really happening behind the scenes with AI costs, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into cloud cost optimization. See you in the next one.